Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Sonos Sub 4 wireless subwoofer in black, a must-have addition for any home entertainment setup. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're already using Sonos speakers or a soundbar, the Sonos Sub 4 takes your audio experience to an entirely new level. Here's why I think this subwoofer is a game changer: design and build quality. First things first, the design is sleek and modern. It's a wireless subwoofer, so you don't have to deal with messy cables, and the black finish blends seamlessly with any decor. The slim profile allows it to fit easily in tight spaces, whether you're placing it vertically or horizontally. It looks like a high-end piece of audio equipment, and trust me, it feels like it too. It's solidly built and has a premium feel to it, which reflects Sonos' dedication to quality. Sound quality. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the sound. The Sonos Sub 4 delivers deep, rich, and powerful bass that you can feel. Whether you're watching an intense action movie, playing video games, or simply enjoying your favorite music, this subwoofer provides a cinema-like experience right in your living room. The dual force-canceling drivers eliminate any distortion, meaning you get pure, thunderous bass without any rattling or buzz. It adds layers of depth to your audio, giving you the kind of sound you usually only get in a theater. Performance and integration. One of the best features of the Sonos Sub 4 is how easily it integrates with other Sonos products. Pairing it with the Sonos Arc or Beam soundbar is effortless through the Sonos app, and once connected, the audio automatically adjusts to deliver a perfectly balanced sound. Even at high volumes, the bass remains clear and immersive. Whether it's the rumble of an explosion in a movie or the deep beats of your favorite song, the performance is flawless. Wireless connectivity and setup. Setting up the Sonos Sub 4 is super easy. It's completely wireless, so all you need is a power outlet, and you're good to go. Through the Sonos app, setup takes just minutes, and the app's intuitive design makes it simple to control the subwoofer and the rest of your Sonos ecosystem. It connects via Wi-Fi, so no hassle with Bluetooth interruptions, and you get a consistently strong connection with no audio dropouts. Price and value. Now, this subwoofer does come at a premium price, but for what you get in terms of performance, build quality, and seamless integration with other Sonos products, it's worth every penny. The Sonos Sub 4 is an investment in sound quality that will elevate your home theater or music setup beyond anything you've experienced before. Final thoughts? If you're looking to boost your audio system with heart-thumping bass, the Sonos Sub 4 wireless subwoofer is absolutely worth it. The ease of setup, exceptional sound quality, and flawless integration with other Sonos products make this subwoofer a standout. Whether you're an audiophile or just someone who loves great sound, this subwoofer delivers. So, if you want to transform your audio experience, go ahead and add the Sonos Sub 4 to your system. You won't regret it.